It's all about giving. It's all about trust. It's all about people. It's all
Survey completed their CPR original first aid training with CPR training team. So here is the citation for your certificate. Philippine Red Cross certification to your name. Underwent the Philippine Red Cross occupational first aid and PNS CPR training on Pamasukan 55 rated. On which the masters of the evaluation examination conducted during the last day of training day and certified by the Philippine Red Cross Philippines chapter to practice the above mentioned course. The training was conducted under the supervision of Mr. Noel Wilson, RN, volunteer instructor for Safety Service, Philippine Red Cross Philippines chapter of 2026 only. Signed by the barista. I will call your name and then get your name.
Animal bites and baby. Then animal bites and baby after 1 month magbigan sa inyo pag-pagay. So pala siya is eventually never alive. So after 1 month, the everyone is animal bites and baby. So wala akong mamagay.
Break on me. Richfield G. Nicholas. Nadja. Senior Grace Pamoya.
Buti mo siya, no?
Good afternoon, folks. So first was, I want to thank everyone for your effort and also the teaching of everything that you will do this training namin kay kung siya, masabot na siya actually so talagang, even though mas amazing niya kay hindi naman po siya hindi naman po siya hindi nakatabang ang fact ng record tanan sa kay Igor Muller na pag tinabangay nga okay na maas ko sa okay nga kamusta kay Greg 3 years ago to teach na mali nag-correct niyo kay Dili hindi correct hindi na siya mga sa like helpful research siya and dali na sa pag-warning kay kanang real life scenario nga okay nga hindi kayo John Greg dito siya na if wala na yung top na mo kag-figure kay magsagura ka so like if naka ito ng event na maybe sa dito or natin siya naman ito ko if naka ka sa scene na may disaster na siya mga tao ka like other people external factors sa mga attacking na nakatawag siya to hold natin like thinking while naka-ano na over siya. Thank you.
Especially sa ako, anong treatment ng motor. Kaya I see a lot of PAs that I feel so helpless na no, ako first aid, after contact for the nursing student ko, pero really ko ka-help. So like, I think this is the best opportunity for me to learn. Kasi, pag-isip ako lang po, na kung may mga respondent na tama na ko, and for the sa learning, I think it's very comprehensive. And also, time bounded ba, and also stations at higher gate. Kaya hindi ka na lang mga 9 gate. So, so like, hindi siya. And all in all, hindi na get an experience.
So, question, what will happen after 2 years?
Diba? Dahil yung mga COC, mga license activities, what you do is, you need to review. Okay? So, as a more review, we will approach the various chapters in the content. And, also, mas better na, instead of open, you push it to SPAT. Okay? Okay, so what I'm going is, take a ground, kaya diba? 2 days sa grade, diba? So, ang span sa learning mo, katulad na sa SPAT, according kay, hindi yata, ang tinatag na, na opportunity